Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fast forward any TikTok video, right? So it's really easy, as well as I will show you how you can do this. For example, if you just do a normal video, right, the short video, and if you just try to fast forward this, you can't do in this one. But if you're watching a longer form of video, right, so let me show you. So this is a longer video, and if I just open it up and if I just try to play, as you can see here in the bottom, in the end of the screen, you can see this is a scroll bar, right? So you can just scroll this bar, and this will help you to fast forward your video. For example, I want to watch at the end part of this video, I can just scroll this line and get to the end, and then I can just watch it, right? So this is how you can do this, and this is only one method to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.